Reese's got the hiccups. But he's also got the I Love Mom shirt on, which Aunt Amy gave him.